Cynthia Robertson here, and with Repairing Relationships Part 3. Some of the biggest repairing relationships you do is with yourself. And it's about really forgiving yourself for things that, like staying too long in a relationship that you knew wasn't right for you, or staying in a job that you know wasn't right for you anymore. I think the hardest one was really staying and waiting. For me, like in a relationship that, like, the man was cheating on me, and I kept waiting for an apology. I don't know. And when I finally got out of it, I still felt so horrible. And I had so much inner work to do about letting go of the hurt, about me, about the fact that I stayed, that I knew it was wrong, and I stayed, and I stayed because I wanted an apology. I wanted to acknowledge it. I wanted him to choose me. I mean, think about it. If he had chosen me, I would have stayed longer even. And it was so sad to me. And I needed so much time to recover from the harm I had done myself in waiting and in choosing someone so wrong for me, so clearly so wrong. So I don't know if that helps, but I know a lot of women who have gone through it, and men who have gone through it. And for some reason, it's part of our journey, right? And so I hope that helps. And I will see you next time.